Chef Ricardo juice bar and salad bar. Today we want to make it a nice, lovely, fresh ginger tea. We're going to put some ginger tea on the channel because a lot of people have been asking for the ginger tea, so we decided to give them a quick update on the ginger tea. Fresh ginger tea. Nothing in this world can beat fresh ginger tea. So hopefully guys, you like the recipe. So please subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave your comments in the description box, and I'm going to show you how you can make yourself a nice lovely cup of fresh ginger tea at home from Chef Ricardo Food and Juice Bar channel. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe, click on the bell. Thank you for watching, so stay tuned. Nice and lovely. So basically I have 1 cup of water. Got us some ginger here. I already washed them, have them in my fridge, ready to use. Alright, you can either blend the ginger or you could either just cut it up like what I'm doing. So what we're going to do now is put this to the boil for about 10 minutes the least, because I want the ginger to boil out inside of it. Alright, enjoy it. So now, see, just put it on. I want it to boil. There's many different kind of way you can do your ginger. You can either blend it, crush it, or squeeze it out into something, whatever you want to do. But I just cut it up, boil it. Everything stay right in the pot, no miss out. Alright, so we're gonna boil this, make a nice lovely cup of ginger tea. That's the first thing you can have in the morning. We all know that ginger is good for us, and ginger have a lot of benefit. You can do your own research by Google what's the benefit of ginger. So today we're gonna make you fresh ginger tea in the morning before breakfast. Lovely and nice. So 10 minutes will be good for it on the stove. guys, so basically as you can see, boiling out the way, all the way. I'm gonna turn off the stove because this is finished now. I had it boiling for about 10 minutes now. Now all I'm going to do is get my camera right there. Yeah. See? 1 cup of tea, 1 cup of water. A pot is empty. Nothing inside of it. Alright guys, that's the way a Chef Ricardo do things. Well, you don't need to use honey. Some people will just drink it natural as it is. But if you like, you can put roughly about half teaspoon of honey. Look at that. That is beautiful. And that's exactly what I'm talking about. Make yourself a nice, lovely, fresh cup of ginger tea at home. Do the work, do the job. This is exactly what I'm talking about. So I know you guys definitely will just enjoy this. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave your comments in the description box. And please tell a friend and a friend, tell a friend. Do some more research. What's the benefit of ginger? Ginger have a millions benefit, guys. Good for you, good for your immune system, good for detoxing. I could name till the next day about ginger. Enjoy it, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.